Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at so and such. For example, this book is so heavy. Or, this is such a heavy book. So and such. We use so with an adjective or an adverb. It's so heavy. Heavy is the adjective. We make it stronger with so. Or such. We use such with a noun. For example, this is such a heavy book. So and such. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board. Here are 4 sentences. Can you fill in the missing word? Is it so or is it such? Have a look at the first sentence. He always looks good. He wears nice clothes. Number 2, everything is expensive these days. Number 3, what a nice garden. These are lovely flowers. And number 4, I have to go. I didn't realize it was late. What are the missing words? So or such? What do you think about the first sentence? He always looks good. He wears such nice clothes. Remember, it's such with a noun and so with an adjective or an adverb. Clothes is a noun, so it's such. Sentence number 2. Everything is so expensive. Expensive is an adjective. And you're talking about how expensive things are. Everything is so expensive these days. Number 3. What a nice garden. These are such lovely flowers. You're talking about the flowers. Yes, you have an adjective here, and it's describing the flowers, the noun. So such describes the noun. Such plus adjective plus noun. Such lovely flowers. And the last one, I have to go. I didn't realize it was... What kind of word is this? Noun? Adjective? It's an adjective, late. So the answer is so. I have to go. I didn't realize it was so late. There we are. English grammar, so and such. They are easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now. Oh, that tea is so cold. I must make another one. Bye bye.